Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I want to show you how I built this IoT camera bot. This bot uses Raspberry Pi 0 to W as the brains, equipped with night vision camera and a USB Wi-Fi adapter. Additionally, we have a four-wheel drive chassis with a motor driver and a power source. The Raspberry Pi will connect to my Wi-Fi and host a web server that we can open on a browser. Here, we'll see a few buttons and a video feed from the camera. Now we can use the WASD or the arrow keys on the keyboard to control the bot. The buttons come in handy when opening the interface on a mobile device. Now, since this bot is already connected to my Wi-Fi, it has internet access, so I can just forward port 80 on my router to the IP address of this bot. Then I'll switch to mobile data on my phone and enter my public IP address on the browser. And here you can see it works just like before. With a good internet connection, the latency can be low enough for a responsive control. If you enjoyed watching this project, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. The source code and further information can be found in the description. Thanks for watching.